Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable command prompt in Windows 11. So guys, if you try to open command prompt, so you will see this notice the command prompt has been disabled by your administrator. So to enable it, click on this search icon, type gpedit, open group policy. Now expand user configuration, then click on administrative templates, then click on system. Now in here click on prevent access to the command prompt, double click on it. Now click on disabled and click on apply, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC, and after try again to open CMD. That's it. So like this guys, you can turn on and enable command prompt in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.